We're with Illuma, and today we're going to show you how our product, IllumaSHIELD, helps make every call into banking contact centers easier, faster, and more secure by leveraging the power of passive voice biometrics.
A true trifecta of benefits with voice biometric technology and a long-awaited upgrade from the painful question and answer process that has traditionally been the staple for caller verification at banking contact centers. Finally, an end to forcing your account holders to jump through hoops just so that they can prove that they are who they say they are. IllumaSHIELD passive voice biometric technology enables you to recognize your callers purely by the sound of their voice.
So let's show a demo real quick, right? So what you see on the screen here is a typical user interface that your contact center agents are staring at day in and day out. This particular one is Glia's contact center, but we integrate with all the major providers out there. What we're going to do now is I'm going to make a call into this contact center as an account holder. Bree's going to be the agent, and you're going to see IllumaSHIELD in action.
Welcome to Illuma Financial. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Milan Borkar. I'm calling because I'm having a little trouble getting into my digital banking account. I seem to have forgotten my password, and I've tried resetting it a few times without success. Is this something you can help me with?
Yes, I see here that you've been verified by voice. I can help you with that right away.
Thank you. That was pretty easy.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Our demo, not even 2 minutes in. I'm going to walk off the stage now. But hope you're able to see no pins, passwords, no annoying Q&A. Simply speaking to Bree about what I needed as a service was sufficient for IllumaSHIELD to recognize me in real time. And with our out-of-the-box integrations into all the major contact center providers out there, your agents don't need to switch between different applications, which makes it really easy for them to utilize this tool on every call, serve your account holders efficiently, and quickly move to servicing the next call. So, like I said, IllumaSHIELD will help make every call into your contact center easier, faster, and more secure. And while this type of technology was traditionally only accessible to the largest of institutions, we've been pioneers in making this right size for institutions small and large. We work with small credit unions and community banks, all the way to large insurance companies and regional banks as well.
You clearly have easier and faster, but what about more secure? How does Illuma protect an account holder from a more determined fraudster?
Let's try it out. How about we switch places? I'll be an agent, you try to be me, and take over my account.
OK, that sounds great. Calling now.
All right, your call comes in. There we go. Thank you for calling Illuma Financial. How may I help you today?
Hi, good morning. My name is Milan Borkar. I was trying to get my digital banking password, and it just kept on throwing errors. I tried to use my phone and my computer, but I couldn't get it to work. Is there any way you could help me with this?
Ooh, our voice ID system is warning me of suspicious activity, so I don't think I can help you over the phone. You'll need to take this to a branch, but please remember to bring 2 forms of ID.
That's really frustrating.
Well, so glad it was annoying, and you've been foiled, but obviously it doesn't take a genius in this room to tell that we sound nothing alike, so while the technology did its job, it's basically table stakes, right? We need a bit more challenging test.
Well, you know, why don't we do a deepfake clone of your voice that I just so happen to have on my computer right here? Do you think Illuma can protect against that?
I'm really curious why you just happen to have a deepfake of me, but we've got 2.5 minutes, so we'll talk about it later. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's try that out.
All right, so your call comes in. Thank you for calling Illuma Financial. How may I help you today?
Hello, good morning. My name is Milan Borkar. I can't seem to remember my digital banking password, and I have tried resetting it on my iPhone as well as on my computer multiple times, but I keep getting errors. Is this something you can help me with?
And that's exactly how it's supposed to work. Let the good guys in with ease, stop the bad guys at their tracks immediately. And if you don't believe this demo, we just recently completed a third-party pen test. So we got a professional cybersecurity and social engineering firm bombard our system with deepfakes over a span of a few weeks, and very happy to report that there was not one successful attempt in those 2-week period.
That's really impressive. But such advanced technology must be either super expensive or very complicated to integrate. Is that right?
Well, just the opposite, right? So most of our clients have implemented this in their contact center platform, especially in cloud contact center platforms within an afternoon, fully operationalized in the contact center, handling account holder calls within about 3 weeks or so.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yep. And so how do we do this, right? We have optimized a solution for institutions of all sizes, small and large. And that has been because of a focus on simplicity and ensuring easy consumption for our clients. That focus has resulted in a solution that's easy to deploy, easy to maintain, easy to train, and easy to use, all without requiring an enterprise-sized budget. So I appreciate everyone's attention today. I hope you liked what you saw. Hope you're able to see how IllumaSHIELD can really help make every one of those calls into your contact center easier, faster, and more secure. Please stop by our booth, vote us best in show. We look forward to partnering with you and delivering on shorter calls, better security, and easier banking experiences. Thank you.
Thank you.